You've got what it takes, but it will take everything you've got. Success isn't reserved for the lucky, the connected, or the people who somehow had everything figured out from the beginning. It belongs to the people who make a decision, commit to something bigger, and keep moving forward when it would be easier to quit. Because having potential is only the beginning. You can have the talent, you can have the ambition, you can have the opportunity sitting right in front of you, but eventually, you have to decide what you're willing to do with it. At TruPowur, we believe your future shouldn't be determined by someone else deciding what your time is worth. Imagine building a business where your effort today can continue creating income tomorrow, next month, and potentially for years to come. A business where you can help companies reduce one of the expenses they already have to pay every single month, energy, while building a portfolio of customers capable of producing recurring, compounding residual income. You don't need to know everything on day one. You need the willingness to learn, follow a proven process, develop your skills, and consistently do the work. Because there's a big difference between wanting success and becoming the person capable of creating it. There will be uncomfortable days. There will be challenges. There will be moments when you question yourself. But those moments are where confidence is built. Every call you make, every conversation you have, every skill you develop, every customer you help, you're building something that belongs to you. So ask yourself, what could your life look like if you stopped giving half of your potential to your future and finally went all in? So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.